If you remember, on this channel about 2 years ago, I did a video where we partnered up with Paint Defender in Montgomery to put a very revolutionary product on our Jeep Gladiator. What product was this? It was the Exoshield windshield protection film. And 2 years later, I'm finally ready to give you my thoughts about what I think of this product. What's going on, everybody? I'm Gary from Dixie Overland, and to you over 2,200 subscribers to this channel, thank you so much for tuning into this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, like the 95% of people out there who watch these videos, I ask that you please do so. It really helps the channel out. It helps us bring more content like this directly to you. So like I said, we've had the Exoshield now for a couple of years, and I want to take you through some of the pros and cons when it comes to the Exoshield product, and you can determine if it's right for you. So what is Exoshield? I want you to think of it like a giant screen protector, like a cell phone screen protector that goes all the way across your windshield. There is a small seam here that is visible. However, when you're inside the vehicle, it's very difficult to tell that you have the Exoshield on at all. Over time, this does get a little bit different. There are some, sort of scratches that form on it. There is sometimes some dust particles that get trapped on it. But overall, it's very difficult to tell whether or not you have the Exoshield on. So as you can see, this is a view from inside of the Gladiator, and like I said, it's kind of difficult to notice that you have the Exoshield on. I will say, if you're wearing polarized sunglasses, there is a little bit of that rainbow effect that sometimes you see when it comes to tinted windows, but it's actually not very bad at all, and it's only really down in the corner for me. So let's take a break from this review video for me to tell you about Wheeled Life. Now, Wheeled Life is an off-road lifestyle apparel company that makes some fantastic apparel. T-shirts, hoodies, kids apparel, women's apparel, all that celebrate the off-road lifestyle. So if you like the shirt that I'm wearing, very cool, very comfortable, especially on kind of a warm day here in the South today, then I encourage you to go out there to wheeledlife.com and use the promo code Dixie and take 10% off of your entire order. So as you can see right here, this is an example of a rock that came up and hit the windshield with the Exoshield on there. Now, the Exoshield has protected the windshield from this impact, and there is not even a chip underneath this. If I were to peel the Exoshield completely off, you would see that that chip is not there in the glass itself. I mean, again, what does it cost to have your windshield replaced? About $300. So this small little chip could eventually turn into a crack that forces the replacement of the windshield. So let me point out what I think is the biggest con of Exoshield, and that's going to be this sort of staining that occurs, especially on the sides of the product itself. Now, whenever I had the Exoshield put on, I was told you have to keep this very clean. It will pick up dirt over time, etc. I'll say this, that for the normal Jeep owner, we're probably not cleaning our windshields all the time. It's probably one of those things where if you go out on a camping trip or you go off-roading, you may have dirt sitting on here for even several days after while you're doing it. So it's one of those things that maybe in the products they're releasing now, this sort of thing doesn't occur. Maybe they've got it developed a little bit better. But as far as a con goes, that's one of the biggest cons. Now, it doesn't deteriorate from the product itself as far as being able to see out of it. It doesn't deteriorate the protection ability of the product. It's just one of those aesthetic things. Just always be prepared to look like you're riding around with a little bit of a dirty windshield. So overall, would I recommend Exoshield as something you should get? Yes. Yes, I would. I think anything beats a broken windshield. Having to source the windshield, having to then take time to go get it replaced, or having somebody come to your house, the cost of it, which is over $300, for about 200 bucks with their at-home kit, you can get Exoshield delivered to your house. You can put it on yourself, which is no harder than putting on a cell phone screen protector. For that $200, you are essentially assured of anything short of a massive boulder or a tree limb coming at your vehicle, that you are going to have an intact windshield after that impact occurs. So for me, even though there are some cons, I think the pros definitely outweigh the cons. And if you are in the Montgomery or Alabama Alabama area, I do encourage you to go to Paint Defender and go see what their folks can do to have Exoshield put on your vehicle specifically. All right, everybody, that's the end of this review video, but if you did like this video, I encourage you to hit that like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and share this with anybody you know who has suffered through a cracked windshield at some point in their life and who could use a product like this. I've been Gary from Dixie Overland. The adventure is just getting started.